हेलो बच्चों, अब मैं सॉल्व करने जा रहा हूँ एक्सरसाइज 1.2। ठीक है, इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट के फर्स्ट पार्ट में बोला है कि इस नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट करना है नंबर लाइन पे। ओके, तो इसको हमको पता करना पड़ेगा कि क्या ये नंबर लाइन के 0-1 के बीच में आ रहा है या 1-0 के बीच में 1-0 के बीच में आ रहा है या 1-2 के बीच में आ रहा है। तो इसको पता करने के लिए हम पहले इसको डिवाइड करके देखेंगे। ठीक है, तो 4 7 4 1 जा 4 रिमाइंडर 3। तो यहाँ इसको लिख सकते हैं 1 होल 3/4। तो इससे हमको पता चल रहा है कि ये 1 और 2 के बीच में आएगा। तो अब इसको रिप्रेजेंट करना है नंबर लाइन पे। तो कैसे रिप्रेजेंट होगा, ये है नंबर लाइन, हमारी नंबर लाइन है। ठीक, यहाँ 0, यहाँ 1, यहाँ 2। तो हर एक पार्ट को 4 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे बिकॉज डिनोमिनेटर में 4 है। 1 2 3 एंड 4, 1 2 3 एंड 4। नाउ दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 4/4 which is equals to 1, and now 1 2 3, this is 1 whole, this is 3/4. okay, as it can be written as 7/4. okay student, note it down. And now come to the second part of first question. Here we have to represent -5/6. so firstly, as we can see that this numerator is less than denominator, so it is from 0 to -1. it is between 0 to -1. 6 5 0 point. So now and this will come between 0 and -1. 0 -1. So we have to divide this in 6 equal part, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now this is our -5/6. okay student, are you getting my point? Please note it down. In question number second, we have to represent -2/11, -5/11 and -9/11 on number line. Here also numerator is smaller than denominator and all the numbers are in negative, so this can be represented on number line as here 0 and -1. okay student, -1. now divide it in 11 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. It is now divided into 11 equal parts. So 1 2, this is our -2/11, and 2 3 4 5, this is our -5/11. 6 7 8 9, this is our -9/11. okay student, please note it down. Now come to the question number third. We have to find the 5 rational number which are smaller than 2. So there are so many rational number which are smaller than 2. -1 which is smaller than 2, 0 which is also smaller than 2, -1/2, +1/2, and so on. 5 now, 1 2 3 4. 1 is also less than 2. Okay student, and so many. Please note it down. Okay student, in question number 4 we have to find the 10 rational number between -2/5 and 1/2. To find the rational number, firstly make the denominator of both the number equal. Okay, so for that we can just multiply it by 2 in numerator, and denominator we will get -4/5 to the 10, and in this number also we have to multiply and divide by 5. We will get 5/10. Now there is only few rational number which are not equal to 10. So further we have to multiply to get more rational number between these two. So we can just again multiply it. This is 5/10 into 2 into 2. Okay, 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, and here -4 to the 8, -8, and 10 to the 20. Now there are more than 10 rational number between these two numbers. Now we can represent as -8/20, -6/20, -5/20, -4/20, -3/20, 1 2 3 4 5, and 5 more, -2/20, -1/20, 0, 1/20, 2/20, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We get our 10 rational number between these two numbers. Here we are multiplying in numerator and denominator to make their denominator same, and these are the equivalent multiple of the rational number. Okay, hope you are getting my point. Now come to the question number 5. Here find the rational number between given two number. We have to find the 5 rational number. So same process as we did in question number 4, same process will be followed here also. So firstly we have to make the denominator same. 2/3 into 5 into 5, we will get 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15. Okay, and now here also 4 into 3, 5 into 3. Okay, 4 to the 12, and 5 to the 15. To get the at least 5 rational number, we have to multiply it again. So 5 3 is 15. We can multiply it by 3. 10 to the 30, 15 1 is 15, 15 to the 30, 15 to the 45. 12 into 3 upon 15 into 3. We will get 36 and 45. Now between these two numbers we have at least 5 rational number. 31/45, 32/45, 33/45, 34/45, 35/45. Okay, now come to the next question. This is -3/2 and 5 by 3. As we did earlier, we have to firstly make the denominator same. Minus 9 by 6. Here 5 by 3 into 2 into 2. 5 to the 10 upon 6. So here also there are so many rational number between them. Minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6. We can take positive also, as 4 by 6, 5 by 6, and so on. Okay student, please note it down. Please watch the full video. If a whole part is not covered with my camera, I will cover each and every question if you are not getting any part of this question. Now come to the third part of fifth question. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Simply do the same thing. 1 by 4 into 2 into 2. We will get 2 upon 4 to the 8. Okay. And 1 by into 4 into 4. We will get 4 upon. Now again we have to multiply because there is no 5 rational number between these two. Okay, so 2 into 8. Just multiply it by larger number, so we will get easily more rational number between these two. 10. 40 upon 80. 20 upon 80. Now we have 21 by 80, 22 by 80, 23 by 80, 24 by 80, 25 by 80, and so on. Now come to the question number 6. Find the 5 rational number which are greater than 2, minus 2. Greater than minus 2. So minus 1 which is greater than minus 2. Minus 1 by 2 which is greater than minus 2. 0, 1, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay student, now come to this question number 7. In question number 7 we have again to find 10 rational number between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So firstly make the denominator same. 5 4, this will be 3. This 3 upon 4 into 5 into 5, we will get 15 upon. Now multiply it with larger number to get more rational number. Take it as 4 into 4. Here also 15 into 4 upon 20 into 4. Okay, so here 48 upon 80, 60 upon 80. So we will get 49 by 80, 50 upon 80, 51 upon 80, 52 upon 80, 53 upon 80, 54 upon 80, 55 upon 80, 56 upon 80, 57 upon 80, 58 upon 80, 59 upon 80. We are getting this rational number between this and this. Okay, student. This is our exercise 1.2 now completed. Please, if you not get any concept, please comment in the comment box and I will make it clear. Okay, student. Thank you.